Okay, so in this video, I want to go through some quick wins. This is a real powerful email that you can send, and it comes back to building that estate agency database that I asked you to build earlier on in the program. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut and paste all the emails that you've got. The more, the better. Make sure you BCC everyone in, and we're going to send these email templates. So the links are there to send them, and it brings up, so that's your subject line, and it's just a very simple message. Morning, we're looking for this in this area, and a brief about what you're doing. Thanks, and then just your details. That is it, okay? The subject, urgently require 3 to 5 properties to rent, is pretty much the only thing that changes as we go through this. Now you'll see on your success plan, there's one to send every single week. So week 1's about building the list, and then week 2 we send, week 3 we send, and we continue to do this. And as we get the results back in, we will tick off the agents off our list that don't want to engage, and we'll eventually have a good list of people that we can literally email every week and say, have you got anything? So what we do is we start with this one, and then next week we'll probably put, we require 2 to 3 or 1 to 4, or something. Just look as though we need less properties, because, and then in here you might say, thanks to the activity last week, I managed to pick up a couple of properties, but we're still urgently looking for 1 or 2. So those that might have been on the fence working with you will now think, actually, there's other people working with these guys, so I need to get involved as well. And then you go down to sort of, listen, I need 1 left, and then you'll go back up, due to the demand, and because we managed to get going, with the last batch, we need another batch of properties, and then you go through that. So that's how you use this email. Every single week, you get it out. And these are quick wins. I'm going to show you here. I've picked up so many properties from this email. This is, this is off 1 email. All these responses here. Every single one of them is a response, So you've got at least, every single time I get 10 to 15 people coming back and sort of at least, yeah, we've got this, how does this work? And you just go into it. Again, we're opening conversations, we're building that pipeline up, and this is a quick way to get results. So do the hard work and get your agency list built, and then I want you to do your blast email. What I want you to do as an action point, when you've done your blast email, I want you to go into the group, and I want you to just shoot a quick video, a live video, just explaining how many people you've sent it to, what responses you've had back, and where you see the next steps, or if you've managed to get any quick success out of it. It's really important that you do the action steps. It's really important that you do the action steps. So get your email sent out, do your video in the group, and then tick this as completed, and then make sure you hit this every single week for the full 12 weeks.